Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How are you today? I hope all of you are fine. Great. Well, students, from today and then, we will start to learn our English material in grade 7. Okay, now let's see the first slide. Chapter 1. The title is Good Morning, and in this chapter we have 4 subtopics. They are to greet or menyapa. The second is to take a leave or berpamitan. The third is to say thank you or berterima kasih. And the last is to apologize or to say sorry, or dalam bahasa Indonesia artinya meminta maaf. Well, but before starting our material in first subtopic, let's sing a song together.
Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, my dear friends. Good morning to you. Good afternoon to you. Good afternoon to you. Good afternoon, my dear friends. Good afternoon to you. Good evening to you. Good evening to you. Good evening, my dear friends. Good evening to you. Good night to you. Good night to you. Good night, my dear friends. Good night to you. Goodbye to you. Goodbye to you. Goodbye, my dear friends. Goodbye to you.
Okay, now please take a look at the next slide. Greetings and the responses, or ungkapan, sapaan, dan responnya. Here we have some expression to greet someone. Yeah, for example, good morning. And the response is good morning. Good afternoon. The response is good afternoon. Good evening. The response is good evening. How nice to see you. The response is yes, it has been so nice. Hello. Hello. How are you? The response is fine, thanks, or fine, thank you. How do you do? The response is how do you do? How are you doing? Your response is not bad. And the last is hi, and the response is hi. Well, students, now let's continue to the next slide. Pembagian waktu dalam bahasa Inggris. Okay, number 1, ada good morning or selamat pagi. Di sini good morning or selamat pagi digunakan setelah jam 12 malam sampai jam 12 siang. Number 2 is good afternoon or selamat siang or selamat sore, digunakan setelah jam 12 siang sampai dengan jam 6 sore. Number 3 is good evening or selamat malam, digunakan setelah jam 6 sore sampai dengan jam 12 malam. And number 4 is good night or selamat malam, Tetapi ini digunakan ketika kita akan berpisah di malam hari atau ketika kita akan tidur. Dan ungkapan ini akan kita pelajari dalam subtopik berikutnya, yaitu ungkapan leave taking or parting, or dalam bahasa Indonesia kita mengenalnya sebagai ungkapan perpisahan. Oke anak-anak, sekarang kita akan ke slide berikutnya. Di sini ada EM dan PM. EM dan PM adalah time signal yang digunakan dalam bahasa Inggris, baik itu American English maupun British English. Apa itu EM? EM di sini artinya adalah atau singkatan dari antemeridium, yang artinya adalah sebelum siang. Di sini waktunya adalah jam 12 malam sampai dengan jam 12 siang. Contohnya di sini 1 EM itu artinya 1 in the morning. 7 EM maksudnya adalah 7 in the morning. Berikutnya adalah PM. PM adalah singkatan dari past meridium, yang artinya adalah sesudah siang, yaitu sesudah jam 12 siang sampai jam 12 malam. Contoh di sini 1 PM itu sama dengan 1 in the afternoon atau jam 1 siang. 7 PM di sini sama dengan 7 in the evening. Di slide berikutnya kita akan melihat contoh penggunaannya ya. Perhatikan pada contoh-contoh berikut. Number 1, when you meet your teacher at 7 AM, what would you say? Oke, jawabannya tentu saja adalah good morning teacher. 7 AM di sini maksudnya adalah 7 in the morning. Contoh yang kedua, when you meet Mr. Budi at 2 PM, what would you say? Oke, the answer is of course good afternoon Mr. Budi. Kenapa? Karena 2 PM di sini maksudnya adalah 2 in the afternoon atau jam 2 siang hari. Dan contoh yang ketiga adalah when you meet Adi at 8 PM, what would you say? The answer is good evening Adi. Kenapa? Karena di sini 8 PM itu maksudnya adalah 8 in the evening atau jam 8 malam. Well, students, that's all our material for today. Thank you for your attention and see you in our next meeting in subtopic 2, leave taking. Thank you for your attention and goodbye. Well, students, that's all our material for today. Thank you for your attention and see you in our next meeting in subtopic 2, leave taking.